Welcome to a quick demonstration of the FRISS integration for Duck Creek claims. FRISS is seamlessly integrated within Duck Creek. A claims adjuster enters a first notice of loss just as they normally do. In this case, we have a young male driver who is reporting a loss. He stated that he swerved to avoid a deer very early this morning and hit a pole. This is a typical fraud scenario that can automatically be detected by the AI-powered FRISS hybrid detection model. Data is automatically submitted to FRISS as soon as the claim handler completes the FNOL. Within seconds, FRISS returned a red score, indicating a high likelihood of fraud. The system can be configured to automate actions that meet your business needs, such as blocking payments, assigning tasks to supervisors, or triggering other customizable tasks. In this example, you can see the claim owner and supervisor have automatically received new tasks to review the claim. The claim supervisor now dives deeper into the claim to better understand the reason behind the red score. FRISS displays the latest screening for the claim, immediately showing the score and color. Scrolling down reveals actionable insights the claim handler or supervisor can leverage as they follow up on the claim. The FRISS indicators show the exact reasons behind the score, such as suspicious words found in a claim statement, vehicle details, and more. The Related Objects section outlines detailed information on all people and assets related to the claim. The FRISS score is automatically updated anytime new information is entered into the claim, and a handler can view previous scores and insights at any time. The final step is to provide feedback on the claim screening. Feedback is immediately synchronized in Duck Creek. Workflows can be set to freeze or release the claim based on this feedback, and the advanced machine learning within FRISS uses this information to continually update its fraud models. Because suspicious fraud has been verified and this claim is now flagged, no further claim handling will be allowed within Duck Creek. As the only fully integrated fraud detection solution in Duck Creek, FRISS saves you time and improves your customer's experience. By preventing payment on fraudulent claims, we also save you money. Together, we are making insurance more honest.